everyone. Thank you for being here to listen to Composability and Entando. My name is Lisa. We have less than 10 minutes to go deeper into composability and to understand if it is true that future application experience will be built from composable business capabilities that can quickly enable new business scenarios. More companies are fighting with complex and siloed applications portfolios that make it challenging to respond to business needs and to survive and thrive in an increasingly dynamic and competitive business environment. Uncentrally is the problem that we want to solve. We want to make the applications portfolios more flexible, resilient, and adaptive to business priorities. A composed enterprise takes a modular approach to business, where outcomes are delivered using pre-existing building blocks called Packaged Business Capabilities, PBCs. This is what Gartner called composable enterprise, a plug-and-play company that uses a composable platform to redeploy, reconfigure, and reassemble PBC quickly and efficiently to go faster to market, promptly align with rapid business changes, and enable more incredible innovation. Entando platform wants to support businesses and CIO, architects, and developers to build applications that align with this goal, applications that they can quickly reconfigure and reassemble easily. It is good to start with this question. What is a composable application? It is crucial to think about what we want to build. Here is a good definition. Composable applications are an orchestrated assembly of independently deployable and encapsulated software components. Each building block, PBCs, represents a well-defined business capability, recognizable by a business user and packaged for programmatic access. PBC are the design unit of a composable application. They represent fully functional components with user experience, underlying business logic, API, and configuration, all integrated into a single package. Just look at this example. If you were building an e-commerce application, imagine simply assembling the application with a well-defined number of PBC as catalog and product, customer and account, checkout and pay, and basket. In doing so, you are curating a user experience journey and providing all the necessary logic to create a fully functional app. PBC has many benefits. You can map them directly to a business service. PBC can also curate end-user experiences, bringing a consistent look and feel across the application. Architects can define the right technology stack that fits the scope and the goal of each PBC. Developers can develop a PBC independently with no constraint from other developers. Developers or less skilled programmers can build applications by assembling PBC using visual consumption mechanisms. In many cases, application teams can also use PBC to build platforms and efficiently offer customers capabilities. Modularity is a requirement for composability. Since the early days of programming, there has been a constant evolution in the way software is written, packaged, and consumed to increase efficiency and reusability. Independence between teams, between code, and between the development team and deployment team are requirements for composability. We need a cloud-native, full-stack, composable technology approach. With the advancement in development technologies, it is not surprising that you can manage the entire application fabric using composable software components. Much advancement for sure has been focused on business logic code. Well-defined API can be easily integrated, interchanged, and composed. Thankfully, there has been a significant advancement in UI technology and frameworks in recent years. Unlike monolithic UI, single-page applications, modern-day interfaces are task-specific single-purpose contextual apps. These single-purpose apps, called micro-apps, can be assembled into fully functional apps with micro front-end technology. Here is one of our powerful assumptions on Entando. Entando assumes micro front-end and microservices as components for composing applications. Modularity is a prerequisite, but there is a missing piece. To build a composable application, we need something representing PBC from a platform point of view. It would be best if you had an artifact that contains all the information to deploy and compose the components. This artifact is the Entando bundle, a package containing one or more components. The structure of an Entando bundle leverages composable development methods, decoupling microservices, micro frontends, API management, and services such as databases. Entando version 7.1 introduces a Docker-based approach for the Entando bundle structure. The Entando bundle was restructured, its processes decoupled by component type, and the publishing transport method was streamlined. With these changes, Entando bundles went from Git-based to Docker-based OCI bundles. This makes easy use and reuses of the bundle core components, microservices, and micro frontend independently from Entando. We had all the pieces, a fully modular architecture and technology stack, and an artifact that reasonably represents PBC. Do we need something else to build a composable application? Sure, we need a platform. This platform is Entando. Entando is an application composition platform. It is what you need to build cloud-native composable applications on Kubernetes. Entando enables developer teams to better collaborate between themselves and with business users by composing or recomposing cloud-native applications from shareable modular pro-code business components in a low-code application builder. It enables parallel teams to accelerate the development and innovation of business capabilities. Entando is a Kubernetes distributed platform and composable environment that provide a secure and trusted environment with core capabilities to build distributed applications. The first is the Platform Identity Provider, the IPE. We integrate Keycloak in our platform. Keycloak is an open-source software product allowing single sign-on with identity and access management aimed at modern applications and services. The second is the Entando Kubernetes Operator. The Entando operator processes the custom resources in Kubernetes that represent the different components of a composable application. The operator's goal is to provide automation and a set of default configuration options to simplify and accelerate the deployment of an Entando application. Finally, Entando platform allows developers to use whatever tools, runtimes, software languages, software frameworks, middleware, Kubernetes platform, cloud platform, DevOps processes, or governance that they currently use to compose applications. Entando platform organizes the development of an application into 4 stages: create, curate, compose, and consume. In the simplest terms, you create, develop functional building blocks, curate them into a catalog, and compose them onto an app or portal, which a user then consumes. For each persona of this composable pipeline, Entando provides tools dedicated to supporting them. Creators are developers and architects who design and create each independent component or functional block. Developers can use their preferred framework, technologies, and the Entando component generator and blueprint to automate the building and packaging of project files, with the flexibility to customize while using software they are accustomed to. The modular design of apps built on Entando means new business capabilities can be integrated into your application without reworking existing systems. Development teams can bundle and share components within a central catalog managed by curators. Multiple teams can collaborate on a single component or packaged business capabilities, PBCs, and share them across organizations and applications. They can test and assess components for readiness, manage and publish versions, and share metadata for continuous upgrades. The compose stage is centered around the Entando App Builder, a low-code composition user interface. In the App Builder, The composer can assemble new components or upgrade existing ones with templates, widgets, and PBC. The Entando Component Manager and Local Hub are integrated into the app builder to manage your components, making the process flexible and agile. The composer can connect one or more hubs to the app builder. The Entando app builder environment, starting from version 7.1, can be extended using the EPC framework to include headless tools supporting composability. In the development lifecycle of an application, Consume is the execution stage where users interact with the app. On Entando, the modular design of components and services means they can be scaled individually or as a whole according to those interactions. Likewise, content can be updated, engine rules adapted, and upgrades seamlessly. As a result, the development cycle is a continuous process with minimal disruptions and faster time to market.